In this video, you will see how to use Python console in QGIS. So let's get started. First, open QGIS. To open the Python console, you need to click on the plugins menu and click on Python console. You can also turn this on using this Python console button. This is the Python console in QGIS. We can write code here. Let's check the Python version first. For that, we need to import sys. Now let's print the version. Let's press enter. We can see that our Python version is 3.12.6. You will see your version in your computer. Here we can process the code line by line. Let's make a variable like a equal 5 and b equal 6. Print a plus b. Our code is working, you can see that. But this process is done line by line, but if we need any script to be done, here is the option that shows show editor. Click on this and we got the editor. Here we can write all of our code and run at once. Let's check it out. Let's make a graph to see how it works. First, import Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Now let's make some data for the graph. We'll make a list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make another variable. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now let's create a line plot. plt.plot x y, then marker, then label, sample data. Now let's add the labels and titles. First, let's add the X label. plt dot X label X axis. Then plt dot title, simple line graph, then plt dot legend, and finally we need to show the graph. For that, plt dot show. Now let's check. You need to run this code using this green play button. Let's check it. Well, our graph is shown in another window. We can move the graph using this move button, and you can go back with this, and also you can click on this reset original view. It goes to reset your diagram. We can also zoom. Let's go back. Here are some other options to customize the diagram. This one also has some options to customize the visualization. And finally, there is a save button. With this, we can save this graph. That's it for now. In our future videos, we will use this Python console and see what other tasks can be done with this. Thanks for watching.